Hey guys, welcome back to Doug's Basement Workshop. Yep, this is one of those times where I sat down and I shot a couple of videos at one time. You will know that when you see the next section where the laser is cutting and the laser is showing you how to do stuff. Or show you how to do the stuff on the software. Right now I am peeling the dice cards. I'll throw a picture up there. I'm sure that's not going to come out well on camera. I'm looking at stuff for Christmas. I'm looking for stocking stuffers. I'm looking for stuff for the homeschool kids who are going back to school and just need something to do arts and craftsy, mechanical building, something hands-on, guys. Something besides an iPad in their hand or a computer or a laptop to stare at all day. These are easy projects, guys. I did 6 of these. 3 dice carts, and I did 3 cornhole boards and 1 sheet of wood. It's around $30 in product on a $2.50 piece. Total cut time for both projects I think was around 15 minutes because this is just cutting. There's no engraving on any of this stuff. So this is pretty easy stuff, guys. I will post a link to where I got this if you guys will ask in the comment section. Yes, I'm baiting you. Yes, I'm begging for comments in the comment section. I'm also begging you guys to like and subscribe so we can get this stuff monetized, get out in front of some more people, help some more people, some more woodworkers, some more people trying to start a business, get it going. So help me out here, guys. Let's get out there in front of more people and show them how awesome running your own business can be. The way that things are going, you got a lot of people stuck at home right now, and I think a lot of people right now could use a little side income, even if it is just going to a local craft show or the farmer's market on the weekend. I know I'm making a nice little side income going down to the farmer's market. So guys, like, subscribe, help me out, leave a comment for me, ask me where the art's coming from so I can share this link with you. Because the guy who actually makes this, hint hint, if you're making it for yourself, the art is free for this project. If you're making it to sell, you have to buy, he asks you to buy the subscription or buy the art from him if you're going to sell them. So guys, go check it out. You can get some free art or a free project out of this, or a project that's really inexpensive. Alright? Remember guys, start thinking about Christmas. What are we making? What are we selling? Get those ideas ready. Get some stuff in bags. Anything that we can ship flat packed in an envelope like this is going to be so much cheaper to ship than something that's assembled. So I'm going to do a couple of YouTube videos after I'm done with this today of how to assemble each of these projects for the kids or adults, whoever wants to buy them. It's a great way to make a little side income is having a YouTube channel giving directions on how to assemble your flat packed items. You can get enough people liking and subscribing for you. A little extra money on the fact that you've already bought something. Alright guys, you have a good day. I will see you later. I'm not exactly sure where this part is going to fall in the video, but we're making the dice cart and we're laying it out here in the Glowforge software. So we're going to just drop one in here. The laser is still booting itself back up again after our last project. So we're just going to copy and paste it and give it a second here for it to finish laying itself out. Here we go. Now over here on the left side, we're going to make sure we move our inside cuts up to the first thing and the outside cuts are second. Alright, we got our copy up here at the top, so when we paste it, it'll drop in a good spot. And paste it. And it looks like we might be able to get 3 on this leftover piece here from the cornhole game if I shuffle stuff around here some. Alright, we're going to pause the audio and I'll speed this up while I shuffle pieces around to make it all fit.
Okay guys, so it looks like 6 minutes and 1 second is what it's going to take to make just the dice carts, and then we threw some table scatter in. Okay, I dropped some table scatter back in there again. And so I think we went from 6 minutes and 1 second, 7 minutes and 29 seconds. So we made it in 1 minute and 30 seconds for a bunch of table scatter. Not a bad deal, guys. All right, let's go see how this cuts out and we'll get it bagged up.